doors got new signs. Check your conscience at the vestibule. New gospel written by government school. Grandma's hymn look covered in dust, replaced by a pamphlet in the state we trust. I ain't preaching hate, I ain't calling you down, but don't you force my savior into a brand. You can ring the church bell, but don't wrap it in a chain. Faith ain't faith when it's forced or for fame. I'll bend my knee, but not to kings or the mobs. I answer to one, and he don't need a job. So let the bell ring free, or don't ring at all. Better silence in the steeple than a forced recall. Yeah. They surrender to Caesar, but they move the line. Now Caesar wants to temple the truth in my mind. I've seen good men broken on a committee floor for saying I believe in nothing more. My hands are dirty, my soul's on lease, but it ain't the state that gives me peace. You can tax my check, you can take my land, but you don't get to hold my father's hand. You can ring my church bell, but don't wrap it in a chain. Faith ain't faith when it's forced or for fame. I'll bend my knee, but not to kings or the mobs. I answer to one, and he don't need a job. So let the bell ring free, or don't ring at all. Better silence in the steeple than a forced recall. What you kneel to, just don't build your altar on my chest. Coercion ain't conversion, and a cage ain't a nest. If your truth needs a God,